What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Drew Television. That's Dallas Real Estate, Entrepreneurship, and whatever else. Here with Kelly Carter, owner here at the Farm Insurance Agency. So you guys seen the commercial, you know all that. So
We are farmers.
yeah. So wanted to tell the folks about the story you told me about this morning.
Oh yeah, this morning I got in the office by 8:45. Got a call from one of my insurers. She was saying she wanted to file a claim because she just ran over a door on the highway. But the tow truck driver was going to be an hour, and she had her two children with a 10-year-old and 6-year-old. So I let her know. I said, hey, well, if it's going to be much of a problem, I can come pick your girls up and bring them back to the house. And she said that would be awesome. She could do that because she didn't want them sitting on the highway with her, waiting for an hour in a tow truck, and it's 95 degrees out here in Dallas right now.
Okay, and that literally happened this morning. This is not something we made up. So
Right.
just like the guy in the commercial, they're there to help you out.
Farmers,
So.
we're to help.
Now, I think that's one of the benefits you have it being kind of local here in the community is that you are here and people can kind of know who you are.
Right. They can. I'm at Strip Center office. They can come by. I get a lot of walk-in traffic. People come in and say, "Hey," but I'm right here. I'm not a service guy on the phone where you got to click 2 or 3 buttons. You can actually walk into the office, tell them what you need. and I'm here to help you out.
Okay, cool. So, like I said, I wanted to touch on this a little bit from the business owner aspect. It's like you see the big name. People
Right.
think that maybe they're throwing all these clients at you and you're just here answering phones. But you kind of have to. You pay the bills for this office. You
Right.
have to kind of build your own brand. Talk a little
Right.
bit more about
Yeah.
running your own business.
When you being an agent with Farmers, you do have that Farmers Insurance brand to kind of lean on, but you're actually responsible for going out and acquiring your insurance base. So I have to go out and network, realtors, mortgage guys, just different events in the community, City of Capel, Chamber of Commerce, just getting out and letting everybody know that I'm actually in the industry and I'm out here to help.
Okay, and so as far as kind of building your brand, growing your business, how do you go about doing that? I know you talked about a little bit networking.
Yeah, usually it's a bunch of networking. It's a bunch of cross-selling with existing client base that was provided when I took over the agency. But mostly, you want to kind of get out there. You want everybody to know that, hey, I'm in the business. I'm here to help you with your insurance needs. I'm not hiding behind a computer. I'm right here in the flesh.
Okay, and they talk about a benefit you being local here on the kind of boots on the ground. What are some other benefits with you working you personally, farmers in general?
Well, I have with me in particular, I have a 13-year claims experience. So I've been in the insurance industry since 2003. I've had a little underwriting experience, a little financial sales experience, but majority claims experience. So I'm able to take that claims experience and apply it to the sales side. That way I know I'm fitting you with the right coverage depending on your needs.
And so I just get into insurance in general. A lot of folks don't grow up and want to be an insurance agent. Like, how did that happen?
It just happened. I was in school. I was in grad school actually, and started applying for jobs. And my first insurance job was Louisiana Farm Bureau as a claims adjuster. And been in insurance ever since.
Just gonna happen here?
Just been in just the different fields of it.
Uh-huh.
And just kind of working my way around, and now I'm finally on the front end of it, where I'm the face more of instead of being on the back side of it.
And so, can you talk about a little bit about the different types? I mean, I know, or maybe there's the auto, there's the home insurance.
Right.
Kind of.
So the insurances that we are currently offer, we offer auto, home, life, and business. So, of course, auto is easy. That's your, you get in a car accident, insure your vehicle. Home insurance, when you have the water leaks or the hailstorms and things of that nature. Life insurance, of course, is self-explanatory. And business insurance is where you have those commercial liability issues that for people, your small business owners, things of that nature.
So when you get into now we talk about this before, we get into a car accident, who's like the first person to call? Like a guy like you or?
Yes,
Okay.
give me a call, because that's a prime example. What happened this morning, she got in an accident, she gave me a call, directed her to the claims department, and then I assisted her with her kids.
But so what else kind of getting at, like if cause we talked about this a couple weeks ago, like if you get in an accident, sometimes it's not in your best interest to file a claim in the first place?
Yes, so sometimes just insurance can be complicated sometimes. Sometimes if it's a small accident, you may not even meet your deductible, but if you filed that claim, now you have a claims history on you, even though you didn't even use your insurance. So sometimes it's best to call your agent to see, hey, this happened, this finna been attempted. Can you tell me, should I file this claim? Should I not file it? Am I at fault for the accident? And that's something I can help you with me being on the claim side. I had 6 or 7 years of liability, auto liability claims. So if we go through the accident together, then, hey, maybe you're not even at fault. Maybe we need to call the other insurance and try to figure out, hey, let's see who's really at fault here and before we make a liability decision.
Okay, so if you had an accident, you're not in fault. Sometimes you don't need to contact your own insurance. Is that-
Right, because if you're
okay,
not
I
at
did know
fault,
that. Okay.
if you're not at fault, you can go under the other insurance carrier, and that way your insurance company will never know. So, for example, if you rear-ended me, and it's clear liability that you're at fault,
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to even tell my insurance carrier. I'm just going to file the claim under yours, and that way they'll never know, and it's all under yours because that's a clear liability accident.
Okay, I did not know that. Okay, cool. I did not learn about something right now. So as far as like deductibles, how does that work? I know, like me, I just have the highest deductible possible. But I mean, what do you recommend as far
Well,
as?
it all depends on the kind of budgeting you're willing to have. So the higher deductible, the lower the premium. But let's say if you're in an accident and you have that $1,000 deductible and you're at fault, that first $1,000 is coming out of your pocket. After that, the insurance company covers it.
Okay.
So if you feel like you're a pretty safe driver, you want to save a little money, you can raise that deductible up. Or, you know, sometimes if you have a good enough insurance score, the deductible difference between $500 and $1,000, it's not going to make that much cost-wise, so it's better to keep it lower. That way you're out of pocket less in case something does happen.
Okay. And what's probably something that the average guy like me or you watching doesn't realize about insurance?
Everybody has an insurance score, so I know you hear all the stories of you have a hailstorm, it doesn't count against you if you file a claim, things of that nature. In essence, you have an insurance score. So say, me personally, I have farmers for 3 years. I filed 4 claims, 2 of them tow and 2 of them hail. Yes, I haven't had an at-fault claim, but I have had 4 claims. So if I get disgusted with farmers and try to change carriers, when that carrier pulls my insurance score, they're gonna see 4 claims. They're not
Okay.
gonna see at fault, not at fault. They're gonna see it, but they're still gonna weigh you on your insurance score, which affects your premiums when you try to move companies.
Okay. So the base that score, so it's kind of like your credit score, but with.
Okay, yep. So basically,
Okay.
credit, it's nothing you can actually, credit score, you can go figure out what your credit score is.
Okay.
You can't figure out what your insurance score is. It's just in the database.
So basically, you can see it as obviously the agent.
Yeah,
or-
so I'll see any incidents that you've had.
Okay.
When I send you a quote, it'll pull up your score, so it'll take into consideration those incidents that you've had, and they rate your premiums based off that.
Okay. Cool, man. Appreciate your time. Just last question. I want to get your football fan.
Huge.
Who's your team?
Saints. New
Say,
Orleans
okay.
Saints. Season ticket holder.
Okay. Currently, you still go to the games
Still
now?
go to the games.
Okay. Wow. What are your thoughts on the Saints this season?
They're going to be pretty good, man. Adrian Peterson's going to change some things. Going to
Oh, yeah, I
change some
forgot he did go down
coverages.
there. Yeah.
You know, so when teams start to account for AP running out the backfield, I dare you to drop that safety.
Uh-huh.
Then Drew Brees is going to get you over the top.
You don't think the Panthers are going to take the no? What's the we're going to get the record on the record. What do you think they're going to
11-5.
All right. Okay.
11-5.
Saints going 11-5. You can put down your bet. So there you go. There. Anything else you want to throw out to the folks over there?
Any insurance questions, needs, even if you don't necessarily have to call me for a quote. If you want to call me for a question, feel free to call me. I'll provide my
Yeah, we'll put that in
information
at the bottom of
the
this
the
video.
Feel free to give me a call if you want to just discuss an accident, discuss anything insurance-wise. I'm pretty knowledgeable on it, and I'm here to help you out.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Right?